Children, welcome back to social studies. As what all we studied about previous class, we studied about the rural local self government, right? Yes, and what all we got to know? We got to know about a village panchayat, right? Yes, as well as we got through know organization and source of income, right? Yes. Now we will see we also got to know about functions of panchayat, right? Yes, now we will see importance of grama panchayat, especially in that case of study we'll see nirmala grama. Okay, especially which grama is this is nirmala grama. Okay, none of this grama panchayat of Rajasthan received that Nirmala Grama Award till 2006 and 7 with the inspiration of a Aspanat Sri Satyam Sundar Paliwal. Yes, see, excuse me, is Nirmala Grama is received that Grama Panchayat of Rajasthan. Why it is awarded? Yes, it is awarded in the year of 2006 to 7. By whose inspiration? By the inspiration of Spinaraj Sri Satyam Sundar Peliwal, right? Yes. Because of what? The villages of a people took a resolution to make a Grama Panchayat as a Nirmala Grama Panchayat in May 2006. On taking the post of expert Sri Satyam Sundar Pilwal was the first work done was the sector as reformers as the first worked was the sector in reform of yes, a Savajal Dara Yojana along with the acceptancy of 11 drinking water plants and during due to the which the water scarcity was removed forever. Oh God, see actually what happened when that villages was that populated was it took a resolution for what purpose they took resolution to make grama panchayat into the nirmala grama panchayat on which year they planned in the year of may 2006, right? As well as they took that posters of Espionage by Sri Satyam Sundar by Palvani. He was the first work donor in the sectors of reformation, as well as he took some yojana along with their acceptancy. Which yojana is that? It is nothing but Savajal Dara Yojana. He took that acceptancy. Then after that, he opened that 11 drinking water plants due to which the water that scarcity was removed forever. What all they did that water schemes for that what all the yojana they prevented, it's removed permanently. Okay, it's removed forever. And secondly, the cleaning of that village was started by that a Esparanich, a panchayat, a member office and the villages. That's actually what happened. The secondly, the cleaning of a village was started by whom? By Spara Punch, by by Sa- by Spara Punch, as well as not only by them, by panchayat members, officers, villagers, by everybody. The cleaning of the village started by them, as well as to solve their electric problems at night times with a low voltage. Light were used to the roads that expenses to Grama Panchayat. The electric bill were borne by the person that drives near the lights. The experiment was that remarkable success. Today, about the 350 lights were working in their village with the contribution of a villagers, due to which Grama Panchayat is lighted. there actually what happened, they have a more electrical problems because of low voltage. Okay, because of what? Because of low voltage. So they were used on roads for what? To expenses on their grama panchayat. Yes, as well as, and not only at that, it was that electric bill, it was a born by the person only arising near the light. Because the experiment, what all they did that remarkable, what all they did they successable on those until now or until today. 350 lights are maintaining or working in their village. By whom? Who contributed for that? It was all contributed by the villagers, the villager peoples. Okay, it's not on by which the grama panchayat is lighted. They contributed the amount so that grama panchayat made that amount. Sorry, they made them lighting facilities. Okay, with the combined the effort of the villager, the main road of the villager were the aborded along with the cements and concentrate roads and proper drains were formed on the fulfilling the drains of Nirmala Grama. 26 toilets were constructed by the student for the students for third that Anganwadi centers, especially sanitization facilities were constructed. Wow, so nice. See, in this Nirmala Grama, what all they contributed, the villages peoples only they put in money and they contributed for the lights, and not only that, they 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 contributed for their main roads too. See, main roads for their village and abandoned with along with cement concrete roads. What they made? They made it cement concrete roads and proper drains. They were formed to fulfill that Nirmala Grama. For that, how many toilets they has built? They has built 26 toilets for specially for students in that Anganwadi, for their three Anganwadi centers. For all those three Anganwadi centers, what they did, they built a few toilets. They not only built it the toilets and they not only left empty, all the facilities, what all the facilities is available as much as possible, they did like a special sanitation facilities for construction for their toilets. Okay, yes, on making all such efforts that panchayat applied for Nirmala Grama awarded on 15th August 2006. See, what all that the village peoples or the grama peoples, what all they made them for their self, what all they did, what they built it a electric electric lights, as well as they built a roads, a toilets, as well as they built a drains, and with concrete roads, for the cement roads and main roads, such a more facilities they did for themselves. Because of what? They are living there, right? It should be clean. So as much as possible, they kept very clean with their own amount. So only the name has came as Nirmala Grama. For that, they also got an award as a Nirmala Grama on which date? On the date of 15th August 2006. Yes, it has inspiration and committee appointed by the central government and served that later village as we awarded Nirmala Grama Award. So nice. The government has identified those, and what they made it, they call those peoples and they awarded him as Nirmala Grama Award. Okay. Yes. Next. Mohan owns a small agriculture field next to his fields of Raghu's land where they separate from the field of the small boundary is called as Bunt. See, actually what happened, they were the two peoples, all those Mohan and Raghu. Mohan was a he was a owning a small agriculture field, But next to is Raghu is also his own small boundary. Like he is also owning his own agriculture. So it is only called as bund. Okay. One morning, Mohan noticed that Raghu has shifted a bund by a few feet in increasing in the size of his own field. Actually, whichever that Mohan is doing agriculture, next to his land only that Raghu's land were also is there, right? One day morning, what happened? That Mohan finded Raghu's land. He came for 1 feet or 2 feet. He extended his property to the Mohan property. He came inside the Mohan property. He extended and he came and he is saying that is my property. So what happened? We'll see. Mohan was angry but also a little affrighted because Raghu's family owned a many field that beside his uncle was also a spinach of a village. Raghu refuses accepting that he had moved that bundle and Mohan's friend suggested they go to local police station and file a report. Yes, actually what happened when Mohan saw that he was a very hanger on Raghu. Why he did like that? He should not come on my property, right? Why he came on my property? And he is also having that many properties near my uncle property. Then now also he is coming to my property like that. The Mohan was very hunger. So that Mohan friend he was also seeing all those what all they both are fighting like that. Then Mohan friend what he gave idea. Mohan, you do one thing. You just go and complain to your local police station. You make a file against him. He gave that idea. So that um file. Some other friends were doubtfully in this were a good idea because they felt that would not waste a lot of money and any time. Finally, Mohan went to the Naya Panchayat. That Naya Panchayat settled the distributed as the Raghu to shift his bundle as it was. Hence, Mohan got justice is very simple, that inexpensive way. So, what that Mohan has did, Mohan go and file against Raghu, right? So that what happened, a few Mohan friends were there. No, he's also, yeah, that is a good idea. Just go and complain about him. Make a case file on him. Like they are also suggested same. So that Mohan went to Nyaya Panchayat. For what purpose he went? To settle the disputes. And finally that he went to Nyaya Panchayat, and finally the Nyaya Panchayat called that both peoples and gave justice to the Mohan. By how? By how they gave a justice to the Mohan? By gave in the way of just Raghu, why you went through the Mohan property? You should not go. So and so is Mohan property. Please, what all you put at your bundles or what all you extended your property, please exit from his property and you can be in your property like that. The Nyaya Panchayat is gave justice on the favor of Mohan. Okay, about Nyaya Panchayat we'll go through at next class. We got through no small activity about Nyaya Panchayat, how the people were doing, how all that activities those days are at the Nyaya Panchayat. We'll go through at next class. Okay, bye students, meet you at the next class.